What's up, YouTube? The Steel Zippo has finally come in. This is the only one that I was able to win on eBay. Unfortunately, the one that still had its finished completely intact, other than some kind of line pattern that someone attempted to carve into it at some point, probably during the 70s or 80s. But this is the Zippo. I gotta make this video kind of fast because I have to go to work. But it's a patent 203. Okay, I'm having a hard time reading that patent number down there. As you can see, it is almost completely covered in rust. I don't know if it sat in water for a while, but as you can see, well, you really can't see here, but it is in fact completely painted on the inside of this Zippo. Here, you can actually see it on this side better. As you can see down in there, they've actually painted back in the day to prevent the thing from rusting to the case. But the insert actually with those ridges in there actually fits extremely tight, so this would be a wonderful candidate for a Zippo bag trick. Although I don't know, it might be too tight of a fit to fit the Zippo bag in there without ripping it. I'm not sure, but guys, this is going to be the Zippo that I am sending into Zippo Fanatic. So Zippo Fanatic, your Zippo is here. This is the Zippo. I really can't read American something. I'm guessing it's some kind of steel company or something along those lines. But as you guys can see, it's mostly covered in rust to the point where you can't even really read the information. But I paid $20 for this on eBay. So I'm not really ashamed of spending that, especially since it is indeed a true steel case. However, the insert is not original, which is kind of unfortunate, but oh well. What can you do? At least now have got myself my first steel case Zippo that I again will be sending to Zippo Fanatic, because I actually have another steel case on its way that was actually a gift to me. So, and there will be a video on that and a shout out to the person giving it to me once I receive it. But as you can see, still in workable condition. The hinge, I do believe, was replaced at some point at Zippo with one of their newer hinges. So I'm guessing, for all I know, this one's hinge either broke or wasn't even there when whoever I got it from got the lighter. But it is indeed an authentic Zippo. So that's going to be the video for today, guys. I got to go to work, so I can't really sit around and talk too much more about the lighter right now. But I will see you in the next video.